Hello my good people, and welcome back to Kanini Flavors YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching me, consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and also commenting nicely so that you can't be left out with the amazing recipes that we cook in this channel. So today we are going to learn how to cook some wet fry matumbo. Yes, very sweet and yummy. So just stay tuned to see the recipe and the way to cook them. If it's your first time, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. So let's start. We have some hoho, finely chopped tomatoes, coriander stems, some coriander leaves, onions, some ginger, some oil. This one, it has some pilipili kwa sababu sina the normal pilipili, salt, we have our salt there, and oil, and of course our boiled matumbo. Mine are boiling, so I'll just add my ginger, some salt, and let them boil. This makes them softer, so let's wait the boil vizuri. Our matumbos are ready. Yes, so we prepare the rest of the ingredients. Put some oil, not much, kidogo tu, ya kuivisha tu kitunguu. That's the normal oil. And then I add some chili in the oil, kiasi tu kwa sababu iko na pilipili mingi. Allow it to boil, and then you add in your onions. Give them time to cook. As our kitunguu is cooking, you add in your hoho. Allow them to cook for about 1 minute. Our hohos are ready, imeiva. But if you like them zikuwe ziko cooked kabisa, unaweza zikapika, but I like them this way. So our next step is to add in our matumbos. Matumbo ziingie kitunguu na our hoho. Kwa hii stage unaongeza chumvi. Ukiboil umeweka enough oil, enough salt. After imekaangika kiasi, you add in your coriander stems. And then you stir. After adding the stems, you add your hoho. Nimezikata zikiwa tukonde ndio ikuwe na iive kabisa na iko na kasupu ya nyanya. So just cover them. Ziive for about 1.5 minutes. Onion is well cooked, so just kuchanganya. unaichanganya. Na kama utaki kukata hiyo nyanya, unaweza blend. Na pia unaweza tumia tomato paste. It looks like this. Unaweza itoa hivi, but ama you allow it to drain the kasupu ya nyanya. So I'll just allow it drain kiasi, hata kasi yote. Yes, and then we'll see the results. That's how they look. And then we add our last ingredient, coriander leaves. As you can see, haina hiyo supu ya nyanya, ime drain. Si ndio? And there is our final wet fry matumbo. Yes, they look very delicious and yummy. Yes, you can serve them with some ugali ama your preferred meal. Yes, as for me, nitaiserve na ugali. Yes, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, liking, sharing. Yes, until the next time, goodbye.